Most people think that the growth starts when you lift the dumbbell, but the truth is, for the most lifters, especially if you are over 40, that the growth switch is off even before you enter the gym. If the switch is off, you can train like Arnold, but nothing will change. Your muscle will not grow.
If that sentence made you pause, it's because you've felt it. You're not a beginner. You're not clueless. You've trained for years. You've done the workouts. You've bought the protein. You've tried to push harder. But after 40, something starts changing in the background. Not loud, not dramatic, just quiet, frustrating reality. Your shirt fits different. Your shoulders don't stay as full. Your waist gets softer even when your effort increases. And recovery starts taking days instead of hours. And this isn't coming from some random guy online. This is coming from Dr. Nash Jocic, a former bodybuilding champion who has competed 46 times, won 17 titles, and coached over 3,500 clients. He's seen the same pattern over and over. Men over 40 do everything right, yet their bodies still stop responding. Here's the truth. Muscle loss after 40 isn't only about age. It's about a switch inside your body that decides whether your training builds you or breaks you down. Dr. Nash Jocic calls it the one switch most lifters ignore. And once you understand it, you stop wasting years doing the right things in the wrong internal environment. The quiet muscle leak. Most men don't notice muscle loss at first. It shows up as, I just feel flatter. Then it becomes, I don't respond like I used to. Then one day, you realize you're doing more work for fewer results. And the most painful part is the mental spiral. Maybe I'm too old. Maybe my genetics are bad. Maybe I'm done. But Dr. Nash has watched this happen to thousands of people. Men over 40 come to him saying the same thing. I train hard, I eat protein, I'm consistent. Why am I shrinking? And his answer is blunt, because consistency is not the same as the right internal conditions. You can train like you're 25, but if your body is running in a metabolic state that blocks growth, your workouts become expensive stress sessions. You don't build, you just survive. And the body is brutally honest about one thing. If it thinks you're in survival mode, it will sacrifice muscle. The one switch. Fitness culture worships the wrong targets. Testosterone boosters, macro calculators. More frequency means more growth. Eat every 3 hours. Never miss breakfast. Add another scoop. Add another set. It all sounds productive, but it misses the foundation. Dr. Nash's core message is that muscle doesn't grow because you try harder. Muscle grows when your cells are ready to receive nutrients and turn those nutrients into repair. That readiness is controlled by one switch: insulin sensitivity.